Have you ever felt like you are studying Arabic but not moving forward? You learn new words, then forget them a few days later. Many students blame their memory, but that's usually not the real problem. Many students memorize words like قرار, فرصة, مشكلة. At first, it feels like progress. You know the translation. You recognize the word. You think you've learned it. But a week later, many of those words are gone. Why? Because words by themselves are easy to forget. So if the problem isn't your memory, what's missing? Your brain remembers situations better than translations. A word without context doesn't mean much. A word inside a real conversation is much easier to remember. Even your native language wasn't learned from vocab lists. You learn it through sentences, situations, and real life experiences. So how do you give a word that context? Instead of learning قرار, learn لازم آخد قرار. And instead of learning مشكلة, learn I have a small problem. عندي مشكلة صغيرة. Notice what changed? The word is no longer alone. It's now part of a real situation. And that's the key most learners miss. So, most students try to remember words, but your brain remembers meaning, not translations. That's why words learned in isolation are easy to forget. If you want to remember more Arabic, don't learn more words. Learn more sentences. Because language isn't a list of vocabs, it's a collection of real situations.